Hi, it's Andrea here, Stress Coach London with From Stress to Success coaching program. Forget about mindfulness. Learn to have a mind less full. It is such a simple process, but the science is clear. Writing it down allows your brain to space, to process, to prioritize, and to sort out all those things that are running inside your head. Make a note of it on the phone. Create a task or to-do list. Write it in a journal. Make voice notes. Keep a notebook with pen and paper by your bed. Do something like post-it notes, rearrange it however you want, but get it out of your head. Research shows that by writing it down, by using a paper, you will engage those missing parts in your brain. It allows you to sort out your thoughts. So, allows you to get better at organizing your emotions. That's the secret of self-awareness and self-regulation. So stop reading, stop scrolling, start writing quick before the next notification goes off and you got to do something else.